Pounds of this toxin enter your body every year and you don't even know it. You will be shocked when you learn how. When you go to the local supermarket or the local bazaar and you buy fruits and vegetables, then you're probably thinking that you are buying healthy food your home. But that's not always the case. Pesticides are used in all countries in the world. Well, one of the main reasons why they are using pesticides is that they claim that the production process will go down and the food price will go up. According to the latest statistics, Brazil is #1 in using pesticides. According to the National Cancer Institute, an average adult person from Brazil consumes about 5 liters of pesticides per year. Well, this is really shocking. Another study conducted by a group of researchers in 2015 has found that almost 70% of all fresh food in this country are infected with these poisons. Well, the good news is that there are some methods which can help you eliminate some of these toxins. And one of these effective methods was developed by the famous Brazilian cardiologist and nutritionist Dr. Leir Ribeiro. You just need to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: 1 liter of water, 5 ml iodine, disposable syringes. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to wash the vegetables with tap water. Then you need to add 5 ml of iodine in 1 liter of drinking water and put all the vegetables in this mixture. Cover it and leave it for 1 hour. Note: make sure you keep this bowl in a dark room because lack of light will prevent the oxidation of iodine. After 1 hour you can remove the vegetables from the water and wash them again with clean tap water. That's it. Your vegetables are ready to eat and they are without any pesticides. You should know that long-term consumption of fruits and vegetables that contain high amounts of chemicals and pesticides can harm your health. The most common side effects of pesticides can range from headaches and allergies to genital malformations and several types of cancer. Well, this is why it's extremely important to protect your family from this hidden danger. And your best option is to grow your own homemade fruits and vegetables. Then you will know that you are eating organic and healthy food without any pesticides or chemicals. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.